Hello everyone, once again we bring you another modified KTM, but this time it's Duke, owned by the Pilot. This is a first generation Duke 250 which has been heavily modified. The motorcycle features a custom tank shroud which makes the bike look bulkier. At the front, we see a double disc setup with radial master cylinder and lever setup from Brembo, but the brake calipers remains unchanged except for the paint job. The clutch has also been changed from a cable to a hydraulic one. The front LED headlight has been modified to fit the overall design of the bike. The middle console has been removed along with the rear view mirrors, giving it a clean and mean look from the front. The handlebar of the motorcycle has been replaced with the old generation Duke handlebars, which are little more upright. The motorcycle sports a gloss and matte black paint scheme with blue elements here and there. The frame of the motorcycle has been blacked out along with the alloy wheels. There are no graphics on the body except for small logos here and there. The tail section now features a custom tail light which has been taken from the KTM's Adventure 390 and which looks absolutely fantastic. The rear fender and rear tire hugger have been removed, giving the tail a clean and sporty look. The motorcycle also gets an aftermarket first copy Austin Racing exhaust which is very loud. We also see a custom underbelly which has been taken from KTM RC390. The motorcycle also gets a custom chain sprocket which fits perfectly with the overall design of the bike. The tires have also been changed from stock MRF to Pirelli's Diablo Rosso 2 and now features a 120 section in the front and 190 section at the back. The overall design is very fascinating and I hope you also agree on this as well.